Hello and welcome to News 9. I am Nishita, and first up, a notorious rowdy streeter Kavala alias Vijay Kumar was brutally murdered on the outskirts of Bengaluru. His Innova car was waylaid and he was attacked to death on the Bengaluru-Hosur highway. The murder took place when he was en route to Tamil Nadu at around 10:45 p.m. As per initial reports, it is said that first, when the notorious rowdy was attacked, his hand was broken. He tried to make a run, but he was hunted down and murdered. It is said that Kavala had to come to Bengaluru for the audio release of a movie. Well, giving a little backdrop on who exactly this man is, he's a notorious rowdy shooter himself, although initial reports suggesting that maybe it is a case of rivalry and probably a rival gang could have attacked Kavala. It is not clear as to who exactly these miscreants could be. The notorious rowdy Vijay Kumar alias Kavala, who was 38 years old, was wanted in many cases, including the JP Nagar murder case where Vinay Alva was hacked to death while he was on his way to the gym. There were pending warrants against Kavala under the Arms Act as well. It was learnt that Kavala had taken shelter in Tiruvannamalai in Tamil Nadu after rumours were rife that his name had topped the list in the CCB encounter list. Kavala, who resides next to the Madiwala police station, earned his nickname for his voracious eating habits. He was instrumental in helping the cops in bumping off Deadly Soma and Basava. And now Kavala, the rowdy shooter himself, meets a gory end as he was waylaid and murdered in the Bengaluru-Hosur highway. This is the car of Kavala that you can see on your television screens. We can see the badly damaged car. The front windshield has been completely smashed. The signs of the attack that took place on Kavala is very, very visible on this car. Kavala was wanted in numerous cases, and he had earned his nickname thanks to his voracious eating habits, and soon he went on to become one of the most notorious rowdies in Bengaluru. It is said that he also had a hand in helping the police encounter both Deadly Soma as well as Basava, but it is not clear at this point in time as to who are the miscreants who killed Kavala, and if they are rowdy gang members, who exactly are them. Well, the police officials have sent the body for post-mortem and investigations are underway. We understand that initial reports indicate how Kavala was murdered was that he was first, his hand was first broken, he was first beaten up and thrashed, after which he was murdered in a gory way. Well, Kavala was hacked to death on the Bengaluru Hosur highway. We understand that he was heading to Tamil Nadu. He was on his way back to Tirunelmalai in Tamil Nadu, and that's when the incident took place. He had come to Bengaluru for the purpose of an audio launch. In fact, Kavala alias Vijay Kumar has been wanted in numerous cases. It is learnt that he was wanted in the JP Nagar murder case as well, which involved the death of Vijay Alva. There were pending warrants against Kavala under the Arms Act. The CCB had recovered weapons from him and had transferred the case to Anekal, but instead Kavala had decided in fact, he went all the way to Tamil Nadu after he learned that he topped the CCB list of most wanted. He was housed in Tiruvannamalai, but his residence, in fact, is next to the Madiwala police station. It is said that he was also instrumental in helping police officials to encounter Deadly Soma as well as Basava. This is what information suggests, but Kavala was one of the more notorious rowdies in Bengaluru, most often known for his arms racket. Moving on now, New Delhi Dibrugarh Rajdhani Express derailed near Chhapra in Bihar early this morning, killing at least 4 passengers and injuring several others. 7 passenger cars, the pantry car and the generator coach of the elite superfast train derailed at around 2 a.m. minutes after the train left Chhapra. The nearest station from the accident spot is Goldiganj, around 11 kilometers from Chhapra. At least 3 people have died in the accident, with the official confirmation stating that now the death toll could have risen to 4. Also, there is no word on the cause of the accident. Train 12236 had left New Delhi at 9:30 a.m. on Tuesday, and reports suggest that maybe it is a case of malfunctioning that has led to the derailment. The accident took place at around 2 a.m. The mechanical problems developed soon after the train left the Chhapra station, and 9 coaches derailed, which includes 7 passenger coaches, 1 pantry, and we also understand that the accident had led to the disruption of services along the route for several hours, thereby leaving many passengers stranded in their respective stations. A dozen trains on up and line route of Katihar-Barauni sections were stranded as a result of the derailment. The number of trains, including both up and down Rajdhani Express, Northeast Express, Seemanchal Express and Capital Express, were later diverted to their respective destinations through one working line. Railway engineers have also reached the spot to clear the obstruction from the line so that normal railway traffic could resume at the earliest. But we can see these are quite graphic scenes. The manner in which the train has toppled, and many of the injured are yet to receive assistance. All the first aid has been given to them, but they are yet to be shifted to the closest hospital to ensure that there is no significant rise in the death toll, as already there have been 4 deaths reported, at least 4 deaths reported in the case.
सिविल ने भी काफी अच्छा सहायता किया, और जो इंजर्ड थे उनको सहायता पहुंचाया गया और उनको हॉस्पिटल भेजा गया, जिनकी अभी जो संख्या 4 है, 4 है, वही कारण क्या है? 4 ऐसा है कि इसके बारे में ये इतनी बड़ी दुर्घटना का इंक्वायरी कमिश्नर ऑफ रेलवे सेफ्टी करते हैं, तो हम इस संबंध में कुछ अपनी तरफ से करके प्रेजुडिस नहीं करना चाहते। लेकिन 2-3 बातें हैं। एक तो जो कंडीशन है यहाँ पर का स्ट्रेट ट्रैक है, सीधी बात है, यहाँ पर कोई ऐसी समस्या नजर नहीं आती है। दूसरी बात यह है कि आज रात से ही ये सारण में और तिरहुत में माओइस्ट बंद का ऐलान था, और उसके बारे में उन्होंने टोटल बंद रखने की बात कही थी। और पहले भी ऐसे समय में कुछ दुर्घटनाएं हुई हैं, ट्रैक में ब्लास्ट हुआ है, हम इसे रूल आउट नहीं कर सकते, लेकिन हम ये नहीं कर सकते हैं किसी कारण से हुआ है, क्योंकि इंक्वायरी होगी तभी पता चलेगा। अभी क्या लगता है? लेकिन हमने बता दिया आपसे, ये संभावनाएं हैं, इसको रूल आउट नहीं कर सकते हैं, लेकिन जब फाइनल इंक्वायरी होगी तभी पता चलेगा। थैंक यू। ये जो अपलाइन है ये हम शाम तक चालू कर देंगे, और दूसरा लाइन रात में कोशिश करते हैं चालू करने का। थैंक यू वेरी मच। आप ये बता दें कि ट्रेन जो हम लोगों ने लगा दी है उसमें सारे पैसेंजर्स को हमने रख दिया है, खाने पीने की व्यवस्था कर दी है, और यहाँ से स्पेशल ट्रेन जा चुकी है, उसमें सारे पैसेंजर्स जिनको भी आगे जाना था उनको उसमें रख दिया गया है, और आगे भी हर कोच में हम लोग एक अपना रेलवे स्टाफ रखे हैं जो उनकी सहायता करते रहेंगे, और जब तक गंतव्य स्थान में नहीं पहुंचे तब तक उनकी सहायता अभी जब होगी तो पूरी बताएंगे आपको।
Well, that was one of the officials, in fact, going on to state how an alternate arrangement had been made to take the passengers out of the accident site, provide medical facilities to those who require it. Others will be taken to their respective destinations and dropped off by this alternate train that has been arranged. But help has arrived almost 5 hours after the incident has taken place. Also, the officials who have come in are trying to move out the debris are trying to clear out the area so that the train traffic can resume in its normal schedule. Also, investigations will be carried out to find out what exactly went wrong. We have seen a series of train accidents come to light in the recent past. Several lives have been lost in these train accidents. The most recent being in Bihar. Just very recently, there was another train accident reported from Uttar Pradesh that had claimed several lives as well.